Hello, my name's Ruth and welcome to the STEM Academy North Gulliver's Valley workshop, where today we're going to be modelling roller coasters. Here's some of the equipment you might want to use. Some cardboard, some toilet roll tubes, scissors, glue, tape, paper plates and some marbles. Don't forget to pause the video so you can collect all the things you need for this workshop. So in this session, we're going to be designing and building roller coasters. We're going to be prototyping them out of card, and instead of using real people, we're going to be using marbles. So for the next 20 minutes, I want you to design your roller coaster and collect all the things you need to make it. Let's get started. Okay, so I've completed my first prototype and it's time to test it. Yay! Okay, so the first prototype works and it's quite basic. I think I can improve on that. So I'm going to go away and have a little think. If you test your first prototypes, then maybe make some design changes. Maybe there's things that did work or didn't work. Maybe there's things you can improve. So let's all go away for a few more minutes, bit more planning, and make some improvements. So one of the things I think that I'm missing off my roller coaster is some sort of spiral. So I'm going to attempt to make one using these plates, and I think it would be a great way to start the roller coaster. Okay, so I've added a spiral feeder onto my marble run. Let's give it a go. Yay! So hopefully you're enjoying building your marble run. Here is a few questions to think about while you're doing that. One of the main things that help roller coasters run is gravity. What are some of the other forces that help make them work? Which sections of your roller coaster keeps failing? Is there anything you can do to stop that from happening? So we're testing our roller coaster with marbles. If they were people, are there any safety precautions you'd have to put in place? So hopefully you've enjoyed this afternoon session and you've learned a little bit more about designing roller coasters, whether that's some of the safety precautions or some of the science that goes into it. And next time you visit your favourite theme park, you'll be aware of some of the amazing engineering that's happening all around you. I hope you've learned a lot from this video, and if you want to do some other activities, check out the website below for more videos. See you next time. Bye!